If you have ever pulled soggy, greasy chicken out of a pan and wondered why it never tastes as good as the restaurant version, the answer is almost always the same. You are using the wrong fryer. A good electric deep fryer controls the oil temperature precisely, cooks chicken evenly, and gives you that perfect golden crispy crust every single time. Today I am breaking down the top 5 best chicken fryers for home cooks right now, ranked by temperature control, capacity, build quality, and real value for money. But before we get into number 5, number 1 on this list is a compact, no-mess fryer that customers call the easiest way to make perfect fried chicken at home. Stay until the end because that one is genuinely impressive. And if you are new here, hit subscribe. We post honest kitchen reviews every single week. Now let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, the Alpha Living Electric Deep Fryer, 4.5-liter deep fryer with basket. This is the largest capacity fryer on our list, and that alone makes it worth considering. At 4.5 liters you can fry a significant amount of chicken in one batch, perfect for families or anyone who entertains regularly. The electric heating element maintains consistent oil temperature throughout the cooking process, which is critical for evenly cooked, non-greasy chicken. The included basket makes lowering and lifting food in and out of the hot oil safe and easy. The adjustable temperature control lets you set the exact heat level for different foods, chicken, fries, donuts, and more. The stainless steel exterior is durable and easy to wipe clean. The downside is the larger size takes up more counter space and requires more oil to fill, which adds to the running cost. But if you regularly cook for a crowd and want the most capacity at a budget price, number 5 is a practical, large format choice. And wait until you see what number 3 brings. It is a professional style fryer that changes the game. Moving up to number 4, the Hamilton Beach 35032 Professional Style Electric Deep Fryer. Hamilton Beach is a brand with decades of kitchen appliance experience, and this fryer reflects that. The professional style design is not just for looks, it includes features that serious home cooks actually need. The stainless steel construction is robust and built to last. The temperature control is precise and easy to adjust, letting you dial in the exact temperature for perfectly crispy chicken without burning the outside before the inside is cooked through. The lid with viewing window is a smart addition. You can monitor your food without lifting the lid and dropping the oil temperature. The basket is generously sized and has a comfortable handle for safe operation. The downside is this fryer sits at a higher price point than number 5. But the build quality, precision temperature control, and Hamilton Beach reliability make it worth every dollar for anyone who fries regularly. But trust me, number 2 is where performance really steps up. Number 3, the Amazon Basics 3.2-quart electric deep fryer with adjustable temperature. And this is where value becomes the story. This fryer delivers reliable, consistent performance at one of the lowest price points on this list. The 3.2-quart capacity handles a good amount of chicken for 1 to 4 people, ideal for everyday home cooking without excess. The adjustable temperature dial gives you control over your oil heat, critical for getting that golden crispy crust without overcooking. The removable oil container makes cleanup significantly easier than fixed tank fryers, a practical feature that most budget fryers skip entirely. The basket fits comfortably inside with room for multiple pieces of chicken. The compact footprint means it stores easily when not in use. The downside is the 3.2-quart capacity is not large enough for big family meals or batch cooking. But for everyday home frying at an unbeatable price, number 3 is outstanding value that is hard to argue with. Now get ready, because number 2 raises the standard significantly. Number 2, the Hamilton Beach Cool Touch Electric Deep Fryer with basket and lid. Hamilton Beach appears again, and this time with one of the most thoughtfully designed fryers on the market. The Cool Touch exterior is the headline feature here, and it is genuinely important for kitchen safety. The outside of the fryer stays cool to the touch even while the oil inside reaches frying temperature, meaning no accidental burns from brushing against the appliance while cooking. This is particularly valuable in busy kitchens or homes with children. The lid keeps oil splatter contained, keeping your stovetop cleaner and reducing the smell of frying oil spreading through your home. The basket design makes it easy to lower and raise food safely. Temperature control is precise and easy to use. The capacity handles a solid amount of chicken for everyday family cooking. The downside is the Cool Touch design adds to the price. So why is it number 2 and not number 1? Because our top pick combines simplicity, performance, and iconic reliability in a way that is almost impossible to beat. Stay with me. And our number 1 pick, the absolute best chicken fryer for home cooks right now, the Presto 05420 frydaddy Electric Deep Fryer. Here is exactly why this takes the top spot. First, the simplicity. The frydaddy has no complicated controls, no confusing settings, no unnecessary features. You plug it in, it heats to the perfect frying temperature automatically, and you fry. That is it. For anyone who wants perfect fried chicken without a learning curve, this is the fryer. Second, the capacity to oil ratio. The frydaddy uses just 4 cups of oil to fry a generous amount of chicken, significantly less oil than most fryers of comparable output. Less oil means lower cost per use and easier disposal. Third, the non-stick interior. The non-stick coated interior makes cleanup faster and easier than almost any other fryer on this list. Fourth, the snap-on lid. The lid locks on for safe, mess-free storage with the used oil still inside, meaning you can reuse your oil multiple times without transferring it to another container. Fifth, the price. The frydaddy consistently delivers at a price point that makes it accessible to every home cook. Presto has been making the frydaddy for decades, and it remains one of the best-selling kitchen appliances for one simple reason. For anyone serious about making great fried chicken at home, the Presto frydaddy is the one to buy. It works every time. All product links are in the description below. Go check them out and find the perfect chicken fryer for your kitchen. If this video helped you make a smarter choice, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for weekly honest kitchen and home product reviews. See you in the next one.